with a dollop of freshly whipped cream or yogurt in the afternoon. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious food. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for new recipes. In a large mixing bowl, add the dry ingredients: the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and salt. Give the ingredients a quick mix together and set to the side. If you'd like the full recipe for this apple cake, it'll be on my website, as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. In a smaller bowl, combine the brown sugar, vanilla essence, oil, and 2 eggs. This is a really quick and easy cake to make, as it doesn't require the creaming of butter and sugar. You can also switch out the apples for pear, it works just as deliciously. Another option is baking it in muffin tins or even as a couple of loaves, so many different options. Use a whisk to combine the ingredients together well. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients and use a wooden spoon to fold the cake batter together. When it's about 80% combined, add in the apples. You'll need about 3 small or 2 medium-sized apples, or about 300 grams that have been peeled and cubed. I'm using green Granny Smith apples here, which aren't too sweet and hold their structure really well for baking and cooking. Any type of apple that isn't too sweet will work really well for this cake. Fold the apples through the cake batter and pour into a greased and lined 20cm or 8-inch cake pan. Place in a preheated 180°C or 350°F oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. Let the cake cool in the pan for 30 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve dusted with icing sugar or powdered sugar and a dollop of freshly whipped cream or yogurt. The cake will keep fresh in an airtight container for about 5 days in the fridge. I really hope you try out this recipe, it's such a delicious way to bake with apples. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.